Avast science classes, me calendar tells me that today is International Talk Like a Pirate Day. And my love of history and thirst for knowledge tells me that we have Errol Flynn to thank for that being what we think pirates sound like. Captain Blood himself. He's an Australian actor in the golden age of Hollywood, and he is the one who came out with Yars and Avast and Me Hearties. And the fact is, pirates probably talked like any of us. So, quick history thing for today. But it's a fun day to celebrate and a fun way to celebrate it. So for today, for science class, we have kind of three different things going on. First of all, I know some of you didn't get a chance to finish up your lab reports. Some of you, I think, may have turned in, even though you still had a few notes to put in, and that's fine. You can go ahead and unsubmit if needed and get those lab reports done. So we're going to start with that. We're going to have our agenda on the backboard as we usually do, so you can take a look at that and see the time schedules on those. Second thing is going to be doing the retest. For anybody who still needs to do a retest for the metric measurement test, the retests are posted on Google Classroom. It's a Google form. We allowed 15 minutes for that the other day. We're going to take about 15 minutes on that again today. And then final thing is taking a look at CER. I do have a Newsela article. I'm going to share it out to you guys so you can take a look at it, read it. And there's a question associated with it. It's about wind farms and generating electricity that way. And so we're going to take a look at the question that's associated with it. All of that will be posted onto Google Classroom. Basically, it's kind of a self-directed day. You're going to start with finishing your lab report. If that's done, then you move on to finishing your retake of metric quiz. If that's done, you move on to learning about CER and trying to create a CER based on that article. So I do have one other video on CER that I'm not sure is going to share out properly. I'm assuming it's not, because we've been having issues with sharing out non-NeWayMTube videos on Google Classroom this year. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull up the CER notes about right up here on the front board, so we can go ahead and get that part. Everybody will have gotten the review of CER. We can discuss any questions on that, and then we'll move into those next three sections where you can do it A if you need it, B if you need it, C if you need it. And once again, thank you, Errol Flynn. Happy Thursday.